Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on...
Hey Tipsies, I'm Deme B, and this is another edition of Tipsy Upon Arrival. Today I'm going to be giving you a tour of the Virgin Hotel in Las Vegas. It's a Curio Collection by Hilton. They have numerous of restaurants on site, a beach club, a pool, a spa, a fitness center, all-site entertainment. This is one of these hotels where you do not have to leave if you don't want to. Everything is there for you. I was here last year for the Super Bowl and it was packed. The script was overloaded with people. So it was so good to have this little oasis off of the script to come back. Today I'll be giving you a tour of the hotel as well as my 2 queen bed chamber room. Enjoy!
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. But baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late. But I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell.
Well, let's go find a snack. Romance Nation.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body need is humble like tell me in the humble cup. Tell me is you down? Cause I'm trying to go good tonight. All the hit you said right. I just wanna put in a fantasy.